Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to create a landing page using Convertkit. Once on their website, all you have to do is simply tap on Start Your Free Trial in the bottom left hand corner, or you could tap on Sign Up for Free. As you can see, you'll be able to get a 14-day free trial, no credit card required, and you can cancel anytime. After you have entered your email address and also create a password, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see where are you joining us from, and you can simply tap on No, I'm just starting out, then tap on Continue. After you have done this, they will ask you about your audience size. You can simply tap on 1 to 1000. Then they'll ask you about yourself. You can quickly fill in this information, your business name. Then you can also pick your goal. I'll simply tap on Continue. And what kind of creator are you? From here you can select whichever option suits you. For this example, I'll simply tap on YouTuber. Then I'll tap on Continue. Then what's your goal? I'll simply tap on Grow My List, and you have send emails. I just want to look around. I'll simply tap on Grow My List right here. Then tap on Continue. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard right here. And from here you can quickly tap on the X, as I'll be showing you what to do. Then you'll tap on Create Your Landing Page. After you have selected Create Your Landing Page, you will be redirected to this page here. And from here, all you have to do is simply scroll down, and you can see select a template, customize your landing. You'll simply have to tap on Create Your Landing Page right below the video. Then from here, you'll see numerous templates you can choose from. And in the left hand column, you will see you'll see numerous categories that you could filter. So let's say, for example, you want to create a landing page with a video. You could simply tap on video. If you're planning on creating one with waiting list, you could select waiting list. But for me, I would prefer to create one with a video, and then I would select this one right here. So you'll simply tap on choose. After you have selected choose, you will be redirected to this dashboard on which you'll be able to customize your current template. So all you have to do is simply scroll down. You could change the video by simply tapping on the video section. Then you could paste in your YouTube channel, or better yet, your YouTube URL. So you could paste in the video that you would like to be here. And you can also change the text. So you could simply tap right where the text section is, and from here you could type in whatever text you want. And you can also change the font color on the right hand column right here. You could tap on the color box and you could change the font color if you want. And you can also change the size of the font and also the font style. So for example, from bold to normal. And you can scroll down and you can delete or you can edit all of this section right here. It is completely up to you how you'd like to customize your landing page. Once you're finished with the customization, all you have to do next is simply tap on Save in the top right hand corner. After you have selected Save, you could tap on Publish to publish your new landing page, and that's it. By the way, if you wanted to add an extra page to your landing page, you could do that also by tapping on Add Page in the top left hand corner. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.